He who has seen everything empty is close to knowing what everything is filled with. He who holds me by a thread is not strong, the thread is strong. Nothing that is complete breathes. You will find a distance that separates you from them by joining them. You think you're killing me. I think you're committing suicide. I think until if everything is nice, and once it is everything, it is silence. The earth has what you raise from the earth. It is nothing more. I love for the sake of what I loved, and what I loved, I would not go back for loving. Sometimes I think that everything I see doesn't exist, because everything I see is what I saw, and everything that I saw didn't exist. They will say that you are on the wrong road if it is your own. Injury, when it is slight, upsets me. When it is strong, calms me. Man is air in the air, and in order to become a point in the air, he has to fall. God has given a great deal to man, but man would like something from man. In full light, we are not even a shadow. 100 years die in a moment, just as a moment dies in a moment. Sometimes at night, I light a lamp so as not to see. Yes, one must suffer even in vain, so as not to have lived in vain. He who doesn't know how to believe shouldn't know. Man, when he realizes that he is an object of comedy, doesn't laugh. If he didn't believe that a sun looked at me a little bit, I would not look at it.